Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install a concurrent chunk management engine for Minecraft Java 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to write in Google concurrent chunk management engine and click on this. You will have this mod here. Then we need to have more mods. So we need a lithium mod. So it will look like this, and then scalable Lex mod. It will look like this. And then you just need to go to versions, select game versions 26.1 and make sure to download Fabric one. Then on Lithium also the same, go to game versions 26.1 and make sure it's Fabric here and download Fabric one as well. Then Scalable X, also 26.1, Fabric, download. And the last thing that we need to download is basically Fabric installer. So you just need to go to fabricmc.net, press download and download for Windows. And once you have these 4 files, then you need to just completely close Minecraft and then load Fabric installer. Wait for a couple of seconds to load, press install. After install is done, you should see successfully been installed. If for some reason you get an error, there is 2 ways why. First, you did not completely close Minecraft launcher or Minecraft itself, or you don't have Java. So go ahead and install Java then. And then just open up Minecraft launcher and wait until it loads up. Then select Minecraft Java Edition, installations here. Then you need to look for Fabric Loader 26.1. Look for mods folder. If for some reason there is no mods folder for you, you just need to press new and name it mods. And then drag and drop these files here. I already got it, but I will show you as either way. And then you just need to look for Fabric Loader 26.1 and hit play and wait until game loads up. So guys, I'm in the game. If I go to options, video settings, I set chunks to 32, apply. And then as you can see here now, chunks is rendering basically different, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.